Hello students. Now we will discuss the chemical properties of the alcohol. Reaction involving cleavage of carbon oxygen bond. Right? OH bond is cleaved from the carbon in this reaction. First, we discuss about the order of reactivity of such type of reactions. Right? In case of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Right? Or this is the primary alcohol, this is secondary alcohol and this is the tertiary alcohol. Right? In case of primary alcohol, only one alkyl group is attached, and alkyl groups, they are electron releasing in nature. Their inductive effect is electron releasing. They release the electron to the carbon. In case of secondary alcohol, there are two alkyl groups are present which releases the electrons, and three alkyl groups they release the electron. Right? Because of the releasing nature of these alkyl groups, electron density at carbon is increases, that give electrons to the oxygen. Right? It means carbon has more positive charge, it comes to be as compared to the oxygen, and or we can say there is not, we can say more positive charge that release the electrons, and that electrons are shifted towards the oxygen, and this bond is become more polar, that is a more polar. Right? In this case there is two alkyl groups are present, right, where in this case there is only one alkyl group is present, and correspondingly the most polar bond of carbon oxygen is in case of the tertiary alcohols. Right? It means order of reactivity will be like that, because of that is the least polar as compared to this is more polar than that of the primary, and this is more polar than that of the secondary, and that's why the cleavage of carbon oxygen bond is more easy in case of the tertiary alcohol as compared to the secondary and then that of the primary, and this is the order of reactivity in case of the carbon oxygen bond cleavage, and that is reverse than that of the first one. Reaction of first, now we discuss the reaction with hydrogen halide. What is hydrogen halide? HCl, HBr, HI, that is a hydrogen halide. That is, and here we can say during the reaction with these alcohols, the order of reactivity will be of these hydrogen halides will be like that. Why? Because there is bond dissociation energy is less. Bond dissociation energy less. More easily it is cleaved. Right? And after cleavage it gives H positive and easily nucleophile is available because of the lesser bond dissociation energy in case of the HI. Next, now we discuss the reaction with the alcohols. We take the alcohol, reaction with HCl, the water is removed. Okay? Alkyl halide is formed plus water. Right? And now we discuss in case of the alcohols. Suppose you take the primary alcohol. Primary alcohol reacted with HCl, give the alkyl halide plus water, but this reaction takes place in presence of the anhydrous zinc chloride catalyst, where in case of HBr and HI we don't need any type of the catalyst because they are more reactive than that of the HCl, and so they without catalyst they react and give the alkyl bromide, alkyl iodide, alkyl chloride. Right? Their name is same, common name is same like that of the alcohol. Right? The first we give the name of alkyl group and then we write down the type of the halide, chloride, bromide or iodide. Right? In case of HI, there is, you see, we take suppose potassium iodide plus phosphoric acid. Okay? That reacted it and give the HI. Right? HABr and sulfuric acid react and give the HBr. Where when we take HI in presence of the phosphorus, when we take in the phosphorus and HI, that will be act as a reducing reagent, that act as a reducing reagent, and correspondingly what has been formed? One, water can be removed, right? But for the second HI, that will reduce it. OH group is removed. OH group is removed, and in place of it, H's get attached over there, right? Water plus iodine is released. 2 molecules of used. Here, that will act as a reducing agent. And due to this difference in their reactivity, how we can distinguish in the lab also, either it is a primary alcohol or secondary alcohol or the tertiary alcohol, and this can be done next question is how we can distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary. How can we distinguish primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol in lab or right? For this we use the agent. This agent is HCl, HCl in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. That is a low acid agent, right? When we take the halides in the test tube or the beaker and we add the low acid reagent, okay? Or we find that in case of alcohol, reagent, right? In case of primary alcohol and secondary alcohol, what you will observe, right? There is alcohol when react with the HCl, then RCl has been formed, right? You see, there is RCl, meaning alkyl halide has been formed. Alcohols, they are soluble in water, so clear solution has been present. When RCl, alkyl halide has been formed, that is not soluble in water, so milkiness, as it is formed, milkiness appear. Right? Milkiness appear because it is not soluble in water, and that's why in case of tertiary alcohol, milkiness appear immediately. Right? Takes place immediately because that is more active. This is most active. Here milkiness appear after 2-3 minutes. After 2-3 minutes, and here milkiness appear after heating. After heating, it means you have to supply the energy in case of the primary alcohol, and because it is least active, from this you can find out the either this alcohol is primary, secondary or tertiary. You distinguish it by adding the low acid reagent, and that form the alkyl halide. Alkyl halide is insoluble in water, and that's why there is milkiness appear. From this you can test it. Primary, in case of primary alcohol, milkiness appear after heating. In secondary alcohol appear after 2-3 minutes, and because that is most reactive and that milkiness gives immediately, right? That is about the reaction with the alkyl chloride. Now we discuss the mechanism. तू कुछ ना कर, पंगा ना ले, मैं आप ही कर लूंगी बात, ठीक है? ओके, बात में दस्सी जो भी है हुन ना ले हैं. हुन now we discuss the mechanism. Right? There are two type of mechanism. One is SN1 mechanism and second is the SN2 mechanism. S means substitution or N means nucleophilic. Right? As it means nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place in such type of reactions, or there is one means rate of reaction that depends upon the concentration of only one of the reactant, right? Where in case of SN2 that is nucleophilic substitution reactions, their rate of reaction that depends upon the concentration of two of the reactant, right? First we discuss the SN1 mechanism, right? What is the SN1 mechanism? This type of SN1 mechanism is shown by the tertiary and secondary alcohols. Tertiary and secondary alcohol. In case of tertiary or secondary alcohol, or we can write this one R. We represent here this one, right? Suppose this is the tertiary alkyl group. We write it here like that. R dash OH, that is a tertiary alcohol. When you add HCl, any of the acid, right? That protonate R. There is lone pair of electrons over there, H positive that attached there. Now this oxygen form the 3 bond, right? So this has positive charge. This is the first step. First step, that is a protonation of alcohol. We call it protonation of alcohol, right? Second step, now water is removed, right? And R carbocation is formed, right? Plus water. This is first step. This is the second step. Okay, that is formation of carbocation. Right? Next, write it with this halide, any of halide maybe, and form RCl, that is alkyl halide is formed. Right? First step is protonation of alcohol, and second step is the formation of carbocation. This step is the slow step. right? The slow step, that will be the rate determining step. It means their reactant used is only this one, only alcohol, protonated alcohol. It means rate of reaction that depends on the only the concentration of this one, right? And that's why it is SN1 mechanism. And now in case of secondary and tertiary, right? In case of secondary and tertiary, there is secondary and tertiary carbocation has been formed, right? Where if there is primary alcohol, right? In primary alcohol, then primary carbocation has been formed, primary cation, and correspondingly, you know, there is, if you take this one, CH3, CH2, this one, next is CH3, CH3, and third one is this one, right? This is primary, this is secondary, and this is the tertiary, right? Which carbocation is more stable? Tertiary carbocation is more stable than that of the secondary, than that of the primary, because that releases the electrons and the positive charge get dispersed. More the dispersal of charge, more will be the stability, right? In this case, there is 3 alkyl groups, they release the electrons. Where in this case, there are 2 alkyl groups, they release the electrons on the carbocation. Where in this case, only 1 alkyl group is attached, that release the electrons. It means tertiary carbocation, that is more stable because more dispersal of charge. Where in case of secondary carbocation, there is 2 alkyl groups are attached, there will be lesser dispersal of charge. In case of primary, again less, and that's why there is tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary, than that of the primary, and that's why SN1, in case of SN1 mechanism, only tertiary and secondary they give reaction through the SN1 mechanism, because there is carbocation has been formed, and their tertiary carbocation and secondary carbocation, they are more stable and they prefer to go through the SN1 mechanism, right? And now we discuss this is SN1 we have studied, and now we discuss the SN2 mechanism, right? SN2 mechanism, primary alcohol, they prefer go to SN2 mechanism, right? हमने रिएक्शन तो वैसे ही किया, वैसे ही अल्कोहल डाला, वैसे ही एसिड डाला, राइट? उसकी मर्जी है कि वो SN1 के थ्रू रिएक्शन जाए या SN2 के थ्रू रिएक्शन हो। ये डिपेंड करता है उनकी स्टेबिलिटी पे कि जो बीच में इंटरमीडिएट बन रहा है या ट्रांजिशन स्टेट बन रही है, कौन सी ज्यादा स्टेबल है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो मैकेनिज्म उसमें कंटिन्यू होगा। in case of primary alcohol, right? See, first step is the protonation. First step is the protonation of alcohol. Protonation of alcohol, right? After protonation, after cleavage there is primary carbocation is formed, and primary carbocation is lesser stable, and that's why it don't prefer, and there is this type of reaction takes place. In case of nucleophilic substitution reactions, you see there is positive charge that attack to this chloride or halide that attack to the carbon, because oxygen is positively charged and that is more electronegative and that withdraws electron towards itself. It means Correspondingly, after withdrawing, this carbon is also become the deficient, and because of the deficiency, there is halide will attack on the carbon. It means in between this transition state has been formed. Transition state. No intermediate has been formed. Transition state has been formed, and there is pentavalent transition state is formed. Pentavalent transition state is formed. You see here carbon H, H and H. On one side there is chloride that start to form the bond. Carbon will not form bond more than 4. It means if from one side their bond is going, other side their bond start to break. Other side bond start to break, right? इसमें क्या है, OH ग्रुप जो है इलेक्ट्रॉन लेके जाएगा, बिकॉज ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, और क्लोराइड अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन यूज करेगा. इसका मतलब इसके ऊपर क्या आ गया, पार्शियल. कंप्लीट नेगेटिव से क्या हो गया, पार्शियल नेगेटिव, राइट. ये इलेक्ट्रॉन लेके जा रहा है, कंप्लीट पॉजिटिव से क्या हो गया, पार्शियल पॉजिटिव चार्ज. दिस इज पेंटावेलेंट ट्रांजिशन स्टेट. This is pentavalent transition state that has been formed, or after that chloride form bond with this and water is removed, and it means you get CH3Cl plus water, right. अब क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि प्राइमरी अल्कोहल क्यों नहीं कार्बोकेटाइन बनाते, बिकॉज दे आर लेसर स्टेबल, राइट. कार्बोकेटाइन्स आर लेस स्टेबल. दूसरा रीजन क्या है कि इन बिटवीन देयर इज ट्रांजिशन स्टेट, पेंटावेलेंट ट्रांजिशन स्टेट हैज बीन फॉर्म्ड, एंड इफ देयर इज मोर अल्काइल ग्रुप इज अटैच्ड, more sterically hindered, that will become more sterically hindered. If it is more sterically hindered, that will be lesser stable. उसकी एनर्जी क्या हो जाएगी, इंक्रीज हो जाएगी, और जिसके कारण प्राइमरी विल फॉर्म द दिस टाइप ऑफ goes through the SN2 mechanism. Tertiary will go through the, it means primary preferably 100%. In case of SN and tertiary 100%, they go through SN1 mechanism. Where secondary, that depends upon either go through SN2 mechanism if their alkyl groups are small, some of reaction goes through the SN2 mechanism, and some of go through the SN1 mechanism, right. Or next I will tell you, in case of SN2 mechanism, no rearranged product can be formed. No rearranged product is formed SN2 mechanism, right. And rearranged product is formed when reaction goes through the SN1 mechanism, right. First step is the protonation. After protonation, protonated alcohol is formed. Next step is the removal of water and formation of carbocation. And this is primary carbocation, right. Now rearrangement takes place, and rearrangement is shown like that with this arrow. Rearrangement, okay. Rearrangement takes place. One of the methyl group that is shifted to make more stable carbocation. To make more stable carbocation. And now there is tertiary carbocation is formed. This is more stable than the, that's why rearrangement takes place, right? After that, chloride, chloride, bromide, any of them may be. This will be the final product. This is a product 1, 2, 3 and 4. From neopentyl chloride there is 2 bromo, then 2 methyl butane. That will be the product. But if you make from this, this is the not formed. That will be not formed. If you write this product. This is not formed, right? Because there is rearrangement has been takes place, primarily to change into the more stable tertiary carbon. And similarly, there are a number of reactions in which there is rearrangement take place and more stable carbocations are formed. Okay. Reaction with PCl3 or PBr3, that is the same thing. And next is the PCl5, right? In this section, alcohol that reacted with the PCl3 and form alkyl halide, right? And this has great affinity for the oxygen, and that's why alcohol react with phosphorus trichloride, and there is OH group is removed, alkyl halide has been formed, and there are 3 molecules. All the 3 chloride groups, they are shifted, and it means to the phosphorus 3 OH groups are attached, and that is called phosphorus acid. That is called phosphorus acid has been formed. Now we discuss the mechanism how this reaction takes place. You check it. पहले क्या है? ROH, ठीक है, having lone pair. So it acts as nucleophile. And phosphorus, there are 3 chloride groups, right? And correspondingly, when this attack to this, automatically chloride is formed, right? R, oxygen, H, phosphate, uses electron pair, chloride and chloride. Clear? And next step, बनाना क्या है? गाइडलाइन. इसका मतलब क्लोराइड ग्रुप इसके ऊपर अटैक करेगा, क्या बनेगा? RCl प्लस phosphorus Cl, Cl and OH, right? Still there are 2 chloride groups are attached. Again this one reacted with the alcohol, right? Next chloride is removed, right? Next chloride is removed, and similarly next again it react with 3 molecules and form the alkyl halide. This is alkyl chloride plus phosphorus acid. Clear? Next reaction with the PCl5. That is phosphorus pentachloride. PCl5. RCl plus phosphorus oxy trichloride has been formed. Plus there are two chlorides, one chloride attached to here, one chloride left, one hydrogen. It means क्या रहेगा पीछे, एक क्लोराइड आ गया और एक H रह गया, plus HCl is formed. The main driving force behind it is that because phosphorus has great affinity for the oxygen, because phosphorus has great affinity for the oxygen, and that's why reactions take place. Now we discuss the mechanism. PCl5 that form PCl4 and PCl6. One chloride is removed and that attached to another one. Chloride that when attached to this there is negative charge chloride और इसका क्लोराइड निकला, इसके ऊपर क्या आ गया, पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ गया. हमने इसके साथ रखी, याद रखना ROH react with the phosphorus, chloride, chloride, chloride and chloride. इसके ऊपर क्या है, पॉजिटिव चार्ज. सो दैट ओवर देयर. इसमें पहले वाले में हमने क्लोराइड मूव किया था, इसमें जरूरत नहीं है. इसके ऊपर क्या आ गया, पॉजिटिव चार्ज. फॉस्फोरस इसने अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन किसको दिए, इस पॉजिटिवली चार्ज फॉस्फोरस को दिए. ठीक है, क्लोराइड, क्लोराइड, क्लोराइड एंड क्लोराइड. राइट, दिस इज फॉर्म्ड in next step. Now halide that attached to this and this shifted here. RCl plus phosphorus, chloride, chloride, 4 chloride and 1 OH because it has 5 valences can exist, right? From this now you have to form POCl3. POCl3 it means this electron shifted here, H is removed as a H positive, right? H is removed as a H positive. This is removed and on one side the chloride is removed. And that form H positive plus Cl HCl has been formed. Clear? And that is the mechanism with PCl5 or phosphorus pentachloride. Last, reaction with the thionyl chloride. Reaction with the thionyl chloride, that is thionyl chloride. And this reaction takes place in presence of base, right? R3 trialkyl amine, thionyl chloride, and its structure is chloride. This is thionyl chloride. This is structure. Sulfur की valences कितनी होती है? +2, 4 and 6. There is variable oxidation states and there is +4. There is alkyl halide is formed, right? Plus sulfur dioxide is removed. Where structure of sulfur dioxide is like that. Plus HCl, because sulfur has great affinity for oxygen. That's why I get the reaction, right? If you take this one, any of alkyl group you can take it here, right? This one and that will. This is benzyl alcohol. This is benzyl chloride plus sulfur dioxide plus HCl. Clear? Now we write down the mechanism. Is a mechanism there and H. This one Cl neutral. When it attack, one of the chloride is removed. That chloride is removed. R ऑक्सीजन पॉजिटिव चार्ज, ऑक्सीजन ने कितने बॉन्ड बना लिए, 3 बना लिए। दिस इज in next step now chloride that this electron shifted, right, R Cl plus oxygen plus Cl plus O plus H, right, this left क्या रह गया पीछे, ये रह गया ना S डबल बॉन्ड ऑक्सीजन Cl and OH, right? Now this is removed and this is, and it changed into the sulfur dioxide plus HCl plus alkyl has been formed, right? That's all about the reactions involving cleavage of carbon oxygen bond. कौन कौन से रिएक्शन हमने डिस्कस किए हैं, एक तो रिएक्शन हमने किया हाइड्रोजन हैलाइड के साथ, दूसरा रिएक्शन हमने किया PCl3 के साथ, तीसरा PCl3 फास्फोरस ट्राइक्लोराइड, फास्फोरस पेंटाक्लोराइड, और फोर्थ हमने किया दिस इज थायोनाइल, दैट इज थायोनाइल क्लोराइड। That's all about the reaction involving carbon oxygen bond. Thank you.